Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by safeguarding your data. Back up macOS now so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once done, make sure you have an administrator account, at least 20% free disk space, and that Windows apps are closed. Open Utilities and launch Boot Camp Assistant. This tool understands the partition layout and offers the safest removal method. Follow the on-screen prompts to remove Windows. You do this because Boot Camp will restore the disk to a single Mac OS volume reliably. Once Boot Camp Assistant begins, confirm the Windows partition and select Restore to a single Mac OS volume. This merges space back into Mac OS automatically. If Boot Camp fails, make sure you know the partition identifier and open Disk Utility to delete the Boot Camp partition, and then resize or merge the Mac OS container. If Disk Utility can't manipulate the layout, use Terminal with Diskutal carefully. You run Diskutal Erase Volume or Diskutal Apps Resize Container to reclaim space, because manual commands give precise control when the GUI stalls. After the partition is removed, reboot the Mac to allow the system to refresh storage reporting. Then check about this Mac storage to confirm reclaimed space. Make sure to run First Aid in Disk Utility to repair any minor file system issues caused during resizing. If you plan to reinstall Mac OS or restore data, now is the time. If something goes wrong and the partition cannot be deleted, use Internet Recovery to reinstall or attach the Mac in target disk mode to another Mac for manual repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.